Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I am so happy you're here. My name is Madison. Today's video is a really fun one because I personally love watching these reset type videos because they motivate and inspire me to get my butt up and tackle my own to-do list. So today we're going to be tackling kind of like a new month reset, a new August summer reset, call it what you will, but basically I just need to get my life together and I'm going to take you guys along with me while I do that. So first things first, whenever I have a new month or I kind of need to reset, I make a to-do list, and the best way to stay organized is by making a to-do list on my notes app on my phone. I'll put up a little screenshot of my to-do list that I make monthly, and basically this just helps me like get it out of my head onto paper or onto my phone and organize it into subsections. So you'll see here the first subsection is clean. I cannot get anything done if my space, my environment is messy, and I feel like if things around me are messy, I'm like scatterbrained in here. So that is first thing on my agenda. I really need to clean the house, like deep clean the house. I need to just organize, tidy up my space. That's usually the first thing that I put on my to-do list because it's always the thing that I put off the most throughout the month. Next subsection is self-care. Now, this is kind of all intertwined, physical, mental self-care. So I need to go to the gym. I need to get my hair done, my nails done. I want to do like a face mask, all of that physical stuff that you think of when you think of self-care. But I also had to kind of take some time out of my day to check in with myself mentally. I do a lot of this to like reset and focus on my physical health, but also to focus on my mental health, because I feel like whenever I'm kind of in a rut and like my environment's messy, I'm not eating great, I'm on my phone too much, my mental health is really lacking too. So I have been going on the Hap Day app lately just to check in with myself mentally. And if you guys have not heard of the Hap Day app, I really think everybody should know about it. So I will have the link for you guys to check it out down below. I want to thank Hap Day for being today's sponsor of the video, because this app could not be more relevant in today's world with everything that's taking place. And I feel like everything and everyone lately has just been feeling out of balance. Like I said, mental health is so important to me just for personal reasons, but I believe it should be important to everybody and for everybody to check in on themselves. And the Hap Day app is a well-being app with science-based techniques that will help reduce your stress and anxiety, help you feel happier, help improve your sleep, which I think we can all need. They have 50+ personal growth tasks built with therapists, Wheel of Balance, Create Your Mission, Letter to Your Future You, Habit Tracker, and a tool to determine the personal mission, meditations, and so much more. Unlike other apps, Hap Day has gathered everything all into one place. I personally have been using it for a while now, and I find it really helpful just to check in with myself mentally. And like I said, I think everybody needs this, so I want you guys to check it out. If you're at all interested, I will have the app linked down below, so go take care of yourself and check it out. And you'll see in the video how I do that, how I check in with myself. It's really important for me whenever I do these resets that I take a digital detox. So I spent the day off my phone, off of technology. Obviously I'm filming this for you guys, but other than that, I spent the day completely detoxing from social media, which I should do more than once a month. I honestly need to be doing this like at least once or twice a week, but that's just something for you to add to your list if you haven't thought about that yet. It's a really great way to kind of switch your mindset back into checking in with yourself instead of constantly on your phone checking in with other people. And then lastly, I need to get it together. I need to kind of organize all the thoughts in my head about things I want to get done for this week. Since I work from home, I'm constantly having ideas like, oh, I need to do this, I need to do this. And sometimes I just need to sit down and get it onto paper. And I've been kind of putting off writing in my planner. So I want to dedicate some time to sit down, write my planner, fill out my calendar for the month of August, write down all events, all plans, and then also plan out my schedule for the rest of the week. So we got a lot to do. I'm going to take you guys along with me. I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope it motivates you to get up and tackle your own to-do list. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get on into the video. is to stay off of social media today, like have a little digital detox, because I feel like the last couple weeks my screen time has just been like up lately. So I'm going to stay off of Instagram today and just focus on myself and getting the things on my to-do list done. I wanted to go outside, get some fresh air this morning, but it has been storming the last 2 days. We're sitting inside in the sunroom instead, but I'm still trying to just like drink my coffee, stay off of my phone. I'm going to eat a healthy breakfast because my diet has not been the best the last couple months either. So another part of my like reset is to start eating a little bit cleaner just to feel better. But yeah, Bella's gonna join me. I really like just having slow mornings in here, off my phone, off my laptop, off all technology. Sometimes I'll bring a book in here. But yeah, just start my morning off nice and slow before I dive into a workout or my to-do list for the day. I have been pretty good about my workout routine lately, but I just want to stay on track for this month. And I was planning on going on a morning walk this morning, and sometimes I'll say like, oh, well, it's kind of rainy outside, like I'll just skip my walk, but I want to make sure I get my walk in. I'm trying to get at least 6,000 steps a day, give or take. So I'm going to bring my booty to the gym and walk on the treadmill for at least a mile, maybe 2. I look dead right now. Okay, next up on the to-do list, I need to, my hair, I'm going to go get it done actually. I've been treating myself to a couple Dry Bar blowouts a month, and if you're not familiar with Dry Bar, it's just a place you can go to and they specialize in blowouts, so they'll wash your hair for you, which is so nice. I have extremely thick hair, so it is a pain in the butt to wash, so I treat myself, and it's fairly inexpensive, honestly. It's something I fit in my budget because it's so nice and it's just convenient for me and saves me a lot of time. So today I have a blowout in about 30 minutes. I'm about to head there. And does anybody else feel like you can't wash your hair until you get it like sufficiently dirty? Like, I'm not going to go and wash my hair until I have like got it dirty enough to be washed. Like, I want to make the most of washing it. So I wanted to go to the gym before. I know it's kind of gross going after the gym, but don't worry, I'll go home and shower after. But they're going to like scrub my hair clean and then they'll blow it out for you too and kind of like style it. I just smooth it out and get like a little bit like light waves in it. But yeah, if you guys are curious about Dry Bar, I have like a whole highlight on it on my Instagram if you guys want to go like hear more about it. But yeah, let's go get our hair done. Was to get a car wash, and I just passed one on the way to get my nails done, so I decided to just stop and get it over with. I feel like getting a car wash is one of those like tedious tasks. Like, I know I need to be getting it washed more often, but I just never actually want to take the time to go. So I passed one on the way, so I figured why not just go. But I am starving. All I had was that banana this morning, and I don't think I can sit through an hour of getting my nails done without eating. So I'm going to stop at a Starbucks that is like right up the road and get a little snack. Can I get a chicken maple butter and egg sandwich? Thank you so much. Have a good day. Tell me this doesn't look so good. No, I was good. I didn't get a coffee at Starbucks since I already had a coffee this morning. I'm trying to be good, you guys. Okay, I got the double smoked bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich, and it comes like on a little croissant. It looks so good. Let's try it. Oh my god. That's like the best thing I've ever eaten in my life. You know when you're like so hungry that you could eat anything and it would be like the best thing you've ever eaten? That's what this sandwich is to me right now. I feel like this is like the best thing I've had in years. Okay, it's time to go get these nails done. feel so much better. I just got home, I took a shower. You know, it's one of those showers where you just like get it all done. I exfoliated, I shaved. I obviously did not wash my hair since I just got my hair done. I just put it up and so it didn't get wet or anything, but it felt so good just to get like super clean, take care of all that. Now I'm putting on one of my favorite face masks. This is the Earth Harbor Mermaid Milk face mask. I didn't want anything like too exfoliating today. I just wanted something moisturizing, and face masks are just my favorite way to like treat myself every now and then. I would like to do one like once a week, but I don't always get to that. So I'm going to leave this on for like 10 to 15 minutes while I start cleaning a little bit, and it just feels so good just to get some of that extra moisture. Okay, I know I look so glam right now, but I need to clean. There's nothing worse than living in like a messy environment, at least for me. Like, in order to be productive and feel good about life, I need my space to be clean. So that's what we're gonna do today, and there's nothing better than like putting on a face mask, putting on some comfy clothes, and just like getting to it. So we're gonna get to it today. We're gonna clean everything on my list: kitchen, living room, bedroom, office, bathroom. You get the deal. So let's get started. Kyle got me this new Dyson for my birthday. I'm obsessed. All right, now that my space is clean, my body's clean, I just took off my face mask and my skin feels so good. It just feels like super moisturized. I feel so much better. It's like taking a deep breath after you get all this done. It just feels so good. And now I feel kind of motivated to sit down and plan for the week. So this is something else that I like to do to kind of like plan honestly for the whole month and just kind of get organized, get all my thoughts down to paper. So I'm going to sit down and plan what all I have to do tomorrow first, just like priority things, and then I'm going to kind of just plan my calendar for the whole month. I had a really great habit of sitting down and reading books earlier this year, and I've kind of fallen out of that habit, so I really want to get back into it this month. I joined a book club to keep me accountable, so me and a bunch of my girlfriends are reading Malibu Rising by Taylor Jenkins Reid, and it's really good so far, but I definitely need to be more disciplined when it comes to setting aside time throughout the day to sit down and read. So I'm setting aside some time today to sit down, read for about like 30-45 minutes, and I always feel so much better, and it's a really nice way to just like check out kind of like mentally and just relax a little bit. So this is my last step of the day. I completed my to-do list. I feel so refreshed. This monthly summer reset is so necessary. If you are feeling flustered or just like scattered mentally or physically, you feel like you need a reset, take the time to do it. I hope this video motivated you and inspired you to do your own summer or monthly reset this month. And if you do decide to tackle your to-do list, comment down below and let me know what all you added to your to-do list. I am going to end off this video here. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you want to see more of my videos, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.